Morrocco Method is where I learned about lunar hair cutting. The lunar hair chart tells you what you need to do on certain days for your hair, what you want it to do. My hair was really long, but it was thin, so I cut it to my shoulders. Then I did my lunar cuts on the lengthening days for 3 months, and my hair grew to the length I wanted. But it still wasn't that full. That really didn't get better until I started using the Morrocco Method products. I decided that my main goal would be to have fuller hair. So my cut days have been on the thickening days, as well as the beautifying days and the strength days. Doing the lunar cuts month to month with the products has given me fuller, shinier, and more manageable hair than I've ever had. I'm so glad I found Morrocco Method and started lunar cutting. And best of all, the lunar chart is completely free. You will see your hair goals happening. One day you just look in the mirror and it's like, is that me? Is that my hair?